Hi friends, great morning and welcome to our daily analysis. Friends, I'm really sorry. Last two trading days, that is half day of Thursday and Friday as a session, we missed it because I was traveling and I'm back now. So let us do today's analysis. Friends, I hope you remember on Wednesday I told that it was a wide CPR and there may be a pressure which is near to 6147 level and the price likely to come and touch CPR range. I will be looking a selling opportunity below CPR range or below previous day's low. This is what which we told. Almost it was a sideways day on Wednesday, right? So there was not a much bigger movement, even though a couple of previous days we got a bigger upside movement. But Wednesday, even I told there can be a small retracement, right? Because it was trading near to the resistance zone, right? This is what which we discussed on Wednesday. So now today we will do analysis with today's chart. Today is a wonderful opening for us. So let us do an analysis for that. And friends, before going in detail, I want to invite all you to my master classes. So Thursday and Friday, we have scheduled two master classes. Thursday, as usual, price action secret, and Friday we have superpower trader. Both the master class will start at 7:30 p.m. and ends by 9:30 p.m. This week also, it will be completely free. So I'm not going to make any charges for that. So make sure you register today itself. The link to register for the masterclass is there in the description. So click on the link and register for the masterclass. Also, if you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel and hit on the like button, comment in the comment box what are the more information you want in the daily analysis. And also share this video with your other trading friends. Okay. So let us do our analysis. And my disclaimer is that these are my personal studies and personal views. So I don't guarantee you any success or profit from these view and studies. Make sure you do your own analysis and maintain proper risk reward ratio before taking any trades. So let us start. First, we as usual, normally we do with the daily candle. Let us see crude oil MCX candle. Forget about this big candle of today's. Till we will start from this. See, this is the point where we stopped on to after Tuesday's candle. I told this the price is trading near to our it's within our resistance zone, right? We had a resistance zone till 60A70 level, and you could see that when the price tried to sustain above, there was a selling pressure and it gave us a small retracement. This is what even I told, there can be a small retracement, right? And Thursday's trade, you could see that even though it was only half day trades, but you could see that there was a bullish candle, right? There was a bullish candle. So, and also you could see that the 20 EMA is supporting those candles. So it is again this candle, we got a powerful candle and this 20 EMA was supporting. So it was almost giving us a signal that it's trying to go up. And Friday's candle clearly giving us an indication that the trend is bullish now, right? Above this zone, the resistance zone, it is a bullish zone, right? And today, anyway, it's opened with a big upside gap in NYMEX. We will discuss later. But you could see that it is given us a good trend change direction, right? It is a good expecting that people are expecting OPEC may cut their production. So anyway, that news yet to come or whatever. So technically, it was giving us on Friday's closing, it was giving us an indication that crude can go up, right? And now today the market opened, right, with a big bullish candle, even though it was a upside gap in NYMEX crude. Here it is not, there is no gap created, but it is trading at a resistance zone. See, you can see the price went near to the resistance, one resistance, which is 6655 level. Near to that level, it went, there was a selling pressure. And you can see that these are resistance zones, 6577 and 6660 near to 6665 level and all. It's a resistance zone, right? And price actually went, even though it went up, it may take a small resistance this level, right? We will do proper analysis with 30-minute chart. Now we will go and see NYMEX crude. Friends, NYMEX crude, you could see the same pattern created here also. In fact, Thursday's closing even itself gave us a good signal that it is actually changing. Trend is changing because this level we marked, you remember on Wednesday chart, we have marked the $73.88 mark level. Even the price closed above those level with a 20 EMA support, giving us a good signal. Friday, exactly the same thing happened. It was a bullish trend. It went up. Now, even though today it opened with upside gap, we need to wait, right? And here again, you could see this zone. I hope you remember this all we drawn very long back. Exactly when the price went to those open upside gap, and when the price went to this level, the selling pressure started, right? So price is taking a resistance. So at this level, I don't suggest anyone to go long right now, right? In fact, there is a gap got created. So I don't expect the gap can fill today itself, but there is a probability that gap may get filled, right? So this level, if we get any good pattern, it is a selling opportunity, what I may look, because trading much away from 20 EMA, a gap got created and we have a resistance zone, right? But again, we need to get a strong pattern. Now we will do 30 minutes chart analysis. First, we will check NYMEX crude 30 minutes. Friends, know where to say that it's open with upside gap. See, this red line, what I marked is upside gap. The moment it the moment it fill the gap, I will delete this red line, right? So it is a gap up opening, and you could see that the price actually went near to the resistance zone, and from there the selling started, right? So it was only the first half an hour candle. It was a big candle, then it started coming down, right? Now, in fact, what I feel here, it started taking a support at our normal pivot. With pivots, this pivot, the orange lines are not a strong support normally. So there is a probability, I feel, that it can come down further, because since it broke the first 1 hour candle low, I feel there can be some more selling pressure since it opened with upside gap, and which is near to resistance zone, right? My long view will start only above this level, right? Till the time I'll not be looking for a long view, which is today's intraday high, $81.68 level, right? And the moment if the price break this support, which is pivot support R4, $79.59, then I will be looking for a selling opportunity. That's what I feel. And my first support will be somewhere near, target will be somewhere near to $78.33, and we will see, right? But I don't expect the gap will cover, all the full gap can cover today itself. And also today we have a wide CPR. So maybe probably it will create a zone, I mean, trading zone for the day at a high and somewhere low. Then it can trade in between those levels. That can also possible, right? As always, I say these are probability games. So we need to see which are the probabilities. Now we will do the proper MCX daily analysis with the 30-minute candle. Now, you could see that there was a huge bullish candle, right? Huge bullish candle got created, right? And there is no gap in our MCX code, right? But we will mainly look into NYMEX code. NYMEX code, there was a gap. And now, what are the trading opportunities? See, when the price went to 6637 range, right, which is our resistance zone, resistance level, the seller started actually selling, right? You could see that even though it was a bullish big candle, the price couldn't sustain, and at this level, the seller started activate, right? Now, there can be a probability sometime it can take a support here and go back here, right? Again, there can be selling, right? So the good level will be if somebody who wish to take a sell, maybe next level for a seller will be around 6513, right? 6513 will be next level for the first target, right? And my bullish view will be only above this 6637 above, with the elephant or rocket candle or any other pattern, we will look into a bullish buy opportunity. Otherwise, I'll be looking for a selling opportunity. First target will be 6514, and second target can be 6383 level, right? And in between, we have small pivot levels, like which it is not a strong support or resistance, but it can sometime act as a support and resistance, right? So I'll be and I don't think so it can come all the way back to the CPR range. Probably maybe somewhere near to previous day's high, 6218. If it comes, there also it can take a support. 6303 also we have a support, right? And to cover all the levels slightly, or there can be some negative news which actually can impact and come down, right? Now, so these are the bearish trading opportunity for the day. As I told, the stop loss can be somewhere above the intraday high, which is slightly higher side. But since the candle is high, that's a kind of risk reward ratio which we have today. And the first target 6514 and second target 6383. Third target can be 6303 level, right? And the previous day's high also can act as a good support level, right? And in case if the price goes up above this level with a pattern, I will be looking for a buying opportunity. The first target will be 6729 level, and the second level we will be looking for above this zone. Here we have marked at 6729 level, and here we will be looking for 6868, this zone 6885 level, right? 6885. So this here we have a zone. The price was trading within the range 6885 level. Also, I'll be looking for that, right? So these are the levels which I'll be looking for the day, friends. As I mentioned, these are my personal views, personal studies. You make sure you properly do analysis and take trades and maintain proper risk reward ratio. So thank you very much, friends. So let us meet in tomorrow's video, and wishing you all a very happy and successful trading. Thank you very much.